Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix ads popping up on Samsung phones. Let us begin by navigating to your phone's main settings menu. From there, select Notifications, then tap on See All to view all applications. Now, meticulously review the list for any unfamiliar or recently installed apps that seem to be sending you advertisements. If you find one, simply toggle its notification switch to the off position to stop those intrusive pop-ups immediately. Often, pop-ups stem from websites that sneakily get permission to send notifications through your web browser. Open your primary browser, such as Chrome or Samsung Internet, then go to its settings. Look for Site Settings or Notifications and tap on it. Here, you will see a list of websites. Carefully review them. If you spot any suspicious or unnecessary entries, tap on each one and choose to block or remove its notification permission. This will stop many persistent web-based ads. Sometimes, deeply embedded or even malicious applications are the source of these relentless advertisements. Access your phone's Apps or Applications menu within Settings. Scroll through your entire list of installed apps. Pay close attention to any apps you do not remember installing, especially those with generic names or unusual icons. If you find such an app, tap on it, then select Uninstall. Additionally, run your phone's built-in device care or security scan to check for any potential malware. This proactive step helps maintain your phone's integrity. For persistent, unfixable pop-up issues, a factory reset might be your final solution, but back up your data first. To prevent future ads, always be cautious when downloading new applications. Stick to the official Google Play Store. During app installation, carefully read and deny any unnecessary permissions, especially those requesting draw over other apps' access. Keeping your phone's software updated also patches security vulnerabilities. These practices will significantly reduce your chances of encountering unwanted pop-ups, ensuring a smoother phone experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.